Today's topic is quite interesting. Can you vacuum artificial grass? It's a question that might seem unusual at first, but it's quite relevant for those with artificial lawns. Let's explore the answer. Artificial grass, unlike natural grass, doesn't grow, die, or require water. However, it does need maintenance to keep it looking at its best. One common question is whether you can use a vacuum cleaner on it. The short answer is yes, but with caution. Vacuuming artificial grass can help remove debris, dust, and small particles that accumulate over time. This is especially useful for indoor artificial grass or outdoor grass in low-traffic areas. However, for outdoor artificial grass, especially in high-traffic areas, a vacuum cleaner might not be the best tool. High-powered vacuums can potentially damage the fibers of the artificial grass or remove the infill material that gives the grass its natural feel. Instead, it's recommended to use a leaf blower or a garden hose to remove debris and clean the surface. For more thorough cleaning, you can use a brush with synthetic bristles to gently rake over the grass. This helps in maintaining the upright position of the grass blades. If you do choose to vacuum your artificial grass, use a vacuum with a setting for hard floors or a handheld vacuum for gentle suction. Avoid using a vacuum with a beater bar or powerful suction, as this can damage the grass. In conclusion, while you can vacuum artificial grass, it's important to do so carefully and appropriately. Regular maintenance using the right tools will keep your artificial grass looking great for years. Thank you for watching. Remember, taking care of your artificial lawn is key to enjoying its benefits for a long time. Keep your lawn looking neat and clean and enjoy your beautiful outdoor space.